Good day, faith friends. For today's gospel is about John chapter 6, 1 to 15. In this gospel, Jesus went up to the mountain and sat down there with his disciples. When he looked up, he saw a large crowd followed him. He asked his disciple Philip where to buy food for the people, but he already knew what to do. Philip is worried that they cannot give them food to eat. Other disciple Simon said to him that there is a boy who has 5 bread and 2 fish. Jesus let the crowd sit on the ground and took the bread and gave thanks. After this, he distributed to the crowd and also the 2 fish. After they finished, there are still many leftovers. For the lesson in this reading, for me, it is when we give or share a little, God bless us more than what we share. Not on the same thing we share, but in some other ways. Our Lord said, "Give and it will be given to you." For what we are doing to others is what we are doing to Him. Thank you for listening, and don't forget, God first.